We wish you a happy Holi from our channel. In Bengal, Bosant Utsav is celebrated before the day of Holi. Fagun and Chaitra, according to the Bengali calendar, is the season of Dol Utsav.
During this season, nature shows its own beauty with colorful flowers of pola, shimul, etc. In this time, the air is filled with joy and hope,
and making the entire atmosphere delightful. Now, let's have a glance of Bosant Utsav in Uttarpara, Hugli.
আলোক রসে মাতাল রাতে বাজিল কার বেনু,
দোলের হাওয়া সহসা মাতে ছড়ায় ফুল রেণু।
অমল রুচি মেঘের দলে আনিল ডাকি গগন তলে,
উদাস হয়ে ওরা যে চলে শূন্যে চড়া ধেনু।
Enjoy this full video on Bosant Utsav.
Subscribe this channel and make it more colorful in this joyous color festival. Thank you.